On my way to the salon for a haircut. Grabe guys, almost 2 years na since last na nagpa-salon ako, and back in the Philippines pa yun. So I went to Aura Salonki. They are located at Relinticato 2 in Espoo. So I chose Birkin haircut with the Birkin bangs na nakita ko lang sa TikTok. So at the time, hindi na nila ako sinampuhan since nag-shower na ako before going, and medyo damp pa yung hair ko that time. You know what? I love the place. It's very cozy, and yung mga staff, they were so nice. And they were so accommodating. Nagkwentuhan lang kami the whole time. So yeah, sa part na to, tapos na akong gupitan, tinuturuan na lang ako kung paano i-hair dry after kong maligo. And I'm so happy and very satisfied since nakuha yung peg kong haircut. So if you want to book an appointment, I'll put the details below. Bye!